When I first started screenwriting, YouTube didn't exist, and it was hard to find information. There were books, but they didn't get at the information that I was looking for. And I determined that when I was able, I was going to do everything I could to make it better and easier for screenwriters who come after me to find the information they were looking for, because I want to inspire screenwriters. Whether you're brand new or you've been trying to do it for a while, I want to inspire you and give you the information that you need to be successful sooner and help transform you into the writer that you want to be, and into a writer who tells stories that matter to a world that desperately needs to hear them. That's why I'm here, and that's what this channel is about, giving you tools to tell better stories and to help transform you into a successful screenwriter. And it doesn't matter if you just want to get better at the craft and win a few contests, or if you want to go all in and see your name on the big screen at some point. I want to be a resource for you, and I can promise you a few things. One, I'm a straight shooter. Integrity and honesty are hard to build and take a long time, but they can be lost in a moment. And I choose to keep mine. I will not blow smoke about this industry in your direction. I will keep things candid and real, based on my experiences in Hollywood and as a teacher of screenwriting and filmmaking. I want you to succeed, and the best way for me to help you is to be authentic about the industry and what you need to know to be successful. Two, I listen. I want to make content that you benefit from. So if you ever have a question about anything, drop it in the comments of any video. If you have a suggestion for a future video, drop that in the comments. Even though I might not be able to reply to all those comments, I do love hearing from you. So if there's something you're struggling with or have a question about, drop it in a comment. I'll either answer you if I have time or plan a future video around the question. And last, you are the most important part of my success. I'm so thankful that you're watching. And if you haven't yet, be sure to like, subscribe, bell, all of those things. It doesn't cost you anything, and the interactions help others who want to transform themselves into screenwriters who tell stories that matter. It helps them find this channel. For more than a decade, I've worked in the industry as a screenwriter and as an editor. I also spent several years teaching screenwriting and filmmaking at Pepperdine University here in LA. I even rewrote their entire film production degree, now called Screen Arts. And while I love creating videos for YouTube, which I do try to upload regularly, I also know that some of you want to transform your writing much faster than what just weekly or bi-weekly YouTube videos can do for you. So I do offer some other things that can help you. Things like script consultation services. Well, I'll read a draft of your script, and then we'll get on a Zoom call and talk about what's working, what isn't, and next steps. It's a conversation. I also have a screenwriting course, which is the screenwriting course I wish I would have had when I was starting out. It cuts through the noise and helps you learn the fundamentals of screenwriting and storytelling with lessons, practice writing assignments, and even some feedback from me if you want it. And that course is called the Screenwriting Fast Track because it puts you on the fast track to becoming the writer that you want to be. And if you still want more, I have a coaching program called the Screenplay Navigator, where you can join like-minded writers who are shaping themselves into writers who tell stories that matter. We walk through the entire process of writing a script 3 times a year, and if you're serious about wanting to transform your screenwriting and your screenwriter self, you should consider applying for this program. And yes, you do have to apply. I don't take everyone. Not everyone's a great fit. But if you think that you're ready to take a significant and committed step on your screenwriting journey, you should consider booking a free call with me to see if the Screenplay Navigator is right for you. And all of these services are linked below any video on my channel. Or you can just visit my learning portal, learn.bigredstripe.com, and click on the service you want to learn more about. Simply, I want to help you become the writer that you want to be. And on this channel, we talk about all things related to storytelling for the screen, skills, tips, tools, anything that can help you move faster toward being an advanced writer. But if you want more focused help and you want to move the needle on you as a screenwriter, visit the learning portal or even send me an email, ask@bigredstripe.com, and I'll help you find what you're looking for, whether I offer the service or not. And maybe you also just want to help support this channel and help support me and help me keep pushing out more content. I do have a Patreon link if that interests you, where you can view archive videos from this channel and, depending on your level of support, get access to Big Red Stripe swag or even some script consultation services. Plus, a few other things. Anything you can do really helps support me, and I really do appreciate it. And let me end with this. There are stories that only you can tell. And those stories are ones that our world desperately needs to hear. And I want to help you tell those stories, stories that matter. And if there's anything I can do to help you, please let me know. Thank you again for watching. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, bell, all those things. Any interaction is very helpful. Now, it's time for you to tell stories that matter. Let's jump in.